So I'm bullish on the market today. Um, I think I am bullish for NQ. As you can see, so on the 4 hour or the daily, we came down August 15 through 18. We tapped into this mean threshold of this order block. We rallied up, and it's more clear in the 4 hour. We've been market structure shifting, and we have some more buy side up here, which gives me the confidence that we're probably gonna be reaching for higher prices for the rest of the week. So yeah. But if price wants to continue bearish, then or at least for this session, another thing is I'm not expecting a lot from this silver bullet session because look at this big ass range we have. I mean, this shit went up a lot. Dude, this shit went up 500 points almost overnight. So I'm not expecting a lot for today. And if I don't really see anything by like 10:30, then I'm gonna just leave it. But for right now, I'm also bullish on EU. Same reasons. Took sell side right here. Market structure shifted right there. Came back to this gap right here. So you can see the gap right here. Respected it. Now it closed above. And you know, if it wants to, I'm cool with taking this breaker block. I'm gonna try not to take or look at so many pairs, because I know that's been fucking me up recently, like having too much information on my screen. So I think I'm gonna narrow it down, at least today. I'm gonna narrow it down to EU and NQ. So I don't really want to be like, holy, what the fuck was this, bro? I was not expecting that. I was expecting bearishness for YM, but I guess it's bullish as hell. This really bothers me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it looks bullish as hell, and it doesn't look like it's gonna come back here, so that really bothers me. What's up, conflict? But yeah, I'm gonna narrow it down to just NQ and EU for today. Okay, why does it do that? It's so gay. Okay, this is so gay. I'm gonna change this. Okay. Thank you, Jesus. But yeah, I want to see NQ take out some sell side, possibly tap into the consequent encroachment of this BISI. And if it's not showing signs of rejection, then I'm gonna just stay out, because I have no idea where I would sell to other than down here. And down here is pretty damn far, so you know, if it's gonna have this big ass range and then come all the way back down, that's kind of weird. I've never seen that before. Well, I have, but it's not very common. For EU, if EU wants to come back into this gap right here, this gap looks pretty appetizing, I'm not gonna lie. That gap right there looks pretty appetizing, I'm not gonna lie. It's also a market structure shift. So I wanted to come back in a day and then start showing some signs of rejection. And then once it starts rejecting, I might hop down to like a 3 minute, the 1 minute. A 3 minute has this clear breaker block. This right here. Trading these past couple weeks has been pretty disheartening, I'm not gonna lie. Just L's back to back to back. But I guess this is where most people quit. So gotta keep it pushing, man. So you gotta remind yourself, man. For ES, it kind of looks like it's having SMT between. It didn't take this low out on NQ. It didn't. Oh wait. Actually, it hasn't taken a low out with either. Neither one has taken out sell side, so whatever that means. So ES looks like it wants to take out some buy side right there. Yeah, I'm not really interested in EU until it gives me a discount. Like down to here. But yeah, I think this fair value gap with this little. Okay, don't flame me if I'm wrong, but this might be an order block right here. What strategy were you using before ICT? What's up, bees? I was a supply and demand trader. So like, I'd look at this right here and I'd be like, "Ooh, it's breaking structure. Let's get in for a sell," type shit. I said I was only gonna look at ES and NQ and EU. What am I doing? Why am I looking at ES? How long you traded for? Loving the live streams, I appreciate it. I've been trading since December of 2020. But I started with options and I transitioned to Forex in 2021. I think it was in like June, so it took like 6-7 months. I basically wasted 7 months of my trading career to fucking binary options, HFX. These motherfuckers. God, I hate these people. Anyways. I'm gonna chill in the 5 minute before I look at anything. So, yeah, I'm gonna just chill here and wait and see what happens. Damn, NQ is moving. This would have probably been like a short term little sell right here, honestly, because there's a little civvy right here, but I never trust these setups because they're so close to the low, and you never know what price may want to do. Alright, so I ran through sell side. Now it's in the 4-hour civvy or busy. I want to see the way it reacts here, and if it starts creating wicks, then I'd assume that that's gonna be the manipulation for the 4-hour candle, and then we're gonna continue up. That's what I'm gonna assume and anticipate. Now we have this market structure shift here, and we still have this buy side right here. Buy side right here. Why? What's your view on NQ? What do you mean why? My view on NQ, for right now, I think NQ is gonna continue bullish to buy side up here. Obviously that's for like the whole week, which is today and tomorrow. But for right now, price can really, if it wanted to, it could. There's relatively equal lows down here, so if it wanted to, it could just crash all the way down here, and then continue up maybe. But I don't really see it coming below here if it's gonna continue bullish. So yeah, I mean it definitely could. I mean you never know what price wants to do, but for right now there's definitely a bunch of liquidity down here, so I'm aware of that. I don't want to just press buy because it's in a busy, you know. It's happened to me way too many times. Alright. Any day now. Nez. Why do you dislike binary? I don't know, bro. You tell me. I don't know. You tell me. This is literally the scammiest shit ever, bro. God, and these bitches ain't even real. Like, they make it sound so fucking easy. Like, this is what I got scammed into, by the way. Yes, I used to do this. I used to deposit like $1,000 and I get $500 in demo money, by the way. It just gave me more leverage. I don't know, bro. You tell me. It's fucking bullshit. I don't really see a market structure shift until it goes above this high. Then once it goes above that high, then I guess drawn liquidity would be these relatively equal highs. Wait, why did I pause? Yeah. I'm not interested in selling. No, I'm not interested at all. Okay, I might be interested in selling. Yes, I might. But it just engineered so much liquidity right now. It didn't even take out this high. What's this high? 6875. What's this high? 6875. So it didn't even take that high out. So it's probably coming for these lows like Naz is, but okay. This might be a breaker setup. Stop loss like above here maybe. This might be a breaker setup. I'm gonna put my stop light right there maybe. It just it doesn't look that good. Like if that was near high, I think that's why I've been taking quite a bit of losses recently, because I haven't been like taking like, oh, it just ran an old high, let me sell there. Like, so this is a setup right here. This is a beautiful London silver bullet right here. took Asia high, displaced with a lot of momentum, came back to a fair value gap, and a little breaker right here. Like, this is a 10 out of 10 fucking setup. And especially because it ran this old high. Watch. Especially because it ran this old high right here. Like, this is a beautiful silver bullet setup. But me, like, right now, I've just been taking, like, setups to draw on liquidities. Like, I think that's why I might have to switch up. Only taking setups that took old highs and shit. But, like, if I do that, my rate of trading goes to the fucking floor because, like, most of the time, it takes highs, like, during, like, actual New York, not 10 to 11. So, I don't know. Like, these are my favorite types of trades to take because they're, like, you know, imbalances and you can anticipate market structure shifts and you see liquidity like this. But I don't know, I might just have to switch it up to taking, like, trades that just liquidated old sessions and shit. So I might have to start doing that, and if I start doing that, I'm probably gonna start trading 4 a.m. again. So yeah. God damn, that's a waste. Yep. Hello, Adam Silman. I see you a lot. I see you, bro. It's really tempting not to go into GU and see what the fuck it's doing. Okay, I don't trust GU right now because it didn't take this low out. But it took that low out. Damn, I said I wasn't gonna trade GU, but this shit kinda looks good. I'm tripping though, cause these are relatively close right here. I think that's gonna be a part of my trading plan. Like, I can't take trades if there's relatively equal lows right beside you, like right to the left. Cause like it's kind of tempting to when it pulls back, get in or some shit, take it, whatever. Cause I'm bullish on EU and GU is gonna follow. All right. Damn, that kind of sucks. Okay, I might get in for a buy here. I hate when it moves that fast, bro. I still think we're probably gonna run this high. To it and through it. What's NQ doing, man? Alright, so NQ looks bearish as hell. Now that we've let it play a little bit, it looks pretty bearish, if you ask me. I don't know, man. Like, yeah, this is crazy. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna touch NQ. I'm gonna stay with EU and GU. So GU just came out from that. Fuck, dude, it's really tempting to take GU, bro. I mean, it took this low out. Came up. Market structure shifted. Did it market structure shift, though? You know, it actually didn't. Market structure shift would have been up here. But I had this big ass run up. What's DXY doing? So I guess it just happened to this, and now it's coming lower, perhaps. That means EU and GU are gonna continue higher. Dude, it's kind of tempting to take EU, but it just doesn't look that structural, if you know what I mean. It doesn't look like there's a lot of structure to it right now. I really wanted to come tap into here. Or you know what? If it creates this as inducement and then taps in it, I'd be happy to take a nice trade there. So yeah, want to wait and see what it does. I think that's another thing. Like this past week and a half, maybe a couple weeks, I've just been a little impatient with waiting for waiting for a real setup to slap me in the face. I've been kind of like hunting, so I gotta take note of that. Just chill, lay back, feel me. I draw liquidity if we get tapped in here. Probably be like definitely this high, and then this inverted fair value gap. So the first thing that tells me the market's probably gonna go bullish is the fact that it disrespected this order block. And if you disrespect this high, and so on, then you know what's crazy? I've had a couple people hit me up on like, "Ooh, let me design your website. Ooh, let me do your thumbnails." And I'm like, I don't even know. Man, EU is crazy. I mean, that's the entry right there, but hell no. I'm not taking that. Maybe I'm just scared. Maybe I'm just a scaredy cat, but I really wanted this right here. That little zone right there. Dude, there's so much shit on my charts. Jesus. So it just came and retested Tuesday's high. Boom, right there, and it's starting to bounce a little bit. So this is an immediate rebalance right here. By the way, if you don't know what this is, it's pretty helpful.
Be like coming down to the top of this candle or just short of it and then run higher. That's it. I would expect to see something like that. Concept, this can that.
So yeah. Nice, bro. Do you know trading in the shadow? No, I don't. Should I? But yeah, dude, this AI powered ICT index is pretty fun. Sometimes when you just don't feel like watching a whole video, you just look it up. Fucking. Obviously, you watch the video at some point, but when you're just a lazy little fuck, you know. The fuck is YM doing, man? The fuck is ES doing, man? So ES is actually playing out. That's crazy. I wanted to take this hoe, but I just didn't trust her, man. I just didn't trust her. These hoes ain't loyal. Like, this isn't even good. Like, it doesn't even look good. Like, this shit is wonky. I didn't like it. Oh, but the GU trades you took last week, shut up. I can admit when my trades look like shit, but I'm not gonna take a trade that I actually think looks like shit. Bias, bro, now is bearish for the EU and GU. Listen, man. Whatever price wants to show me, that's what I'm gonna do. But for right now, it's still in this imbalance right here, so I don't know, but to me this looks like a bullish PD array. I don't know about you. Oh, but another thing, we are in this bearish PD array right there. GU, we didn't quite tap into this one, but we're still in this one. We ran this high. Ooh, this is beautiful. Okay. If we get a setup, no, I actually agree with bro. If we get a setup down here, inside of this, let me see. Where's the 12 a.m. open? Somewhere right here. The open is like right here. So it came up, down. Retrace 50% into the SIBI. Okay, I might actually have a solid narrative here. Okay, that makes sense. So 12 a.m. open, rallied higher. There's like manipulation. Accumulated a little bit, manipulated. Distributing, retrace 50% into his 1 hour SIBI. Took buy side as well. We might be onto something here. I wish GU retraced a little bit more. He's always loyal. I'm gonna keep it there. Alright, I don't really need that big ass box anymore. But yeah, it's this equity curve is embarrassing. It's all jokes. It's just all jokes. Stop loss. Hold on, this actually looks pretty valid. Man, fuck this breaker. this actually looks pretty solid. Damn, 26 pips on EU is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, what's NQ doing? So NQ is falling through the ground still. I question whether the DXY is gonna get some strength or not. And she's like right here. Yeah, NQ is definitely heading for these lows. What the fuck? I did not expect that from her. I truly did not expect that from her. And NQ's, ES, ES is playing out. Damn. Why do these wonky setups always play out? But the setups that I think are good, they're like, no, I don't think so. Wonky ass setup, bro. Wonky ass fucking setup. Still valid though. Oh hey, you know. Oh hey, you know. Boy, you better give me some large black candles to the downside. I mean, so far it's the fair value gap still being respected. 'Hello, borrow video. I don't know what the hell is cock blocking EU, but see, I don't like the fact that the indices look overextended as hell, and then EU is doing this, and G is doing that. 5 minute. Hmm. Doing well. Well, I'm chilling, but this trade is getting on my nerves. Damn. Days like these where I wish I just took the fucking ES, bro. ES looked pretty good. I just didn't like the fact that it didn't take out this liquidity up here. So I'm about to get my balls squished by EU again. EU back at it again, man. Just like binary? Yes. Fuck binary. Fuck binary and its mother and its kids and its daughters and its brothers. Man. You couldn't pay me to love binary. I have faith in this trade a little bit. I guess that's why I gave it breathing room to tap into here again if it wanted to. So I guess I'm not super tripping about that, but because we've seen it plenty of times, like price reaches an hourly imbalance, moves away from it, leaves a fair value gap, and then retests it multiple times. I guess you can do that as well, I guess. But yeah, it's back in that bitch. There's a 1 hour fair value gap. Come on, cock block my stop loss. Okay, this isn't showing any likelihood that it wants to go lower. Like, hello, will you move a little bit? So NQ's still dropping. And EU doesn't want to follow, so the DXY, I mean, I guess that's a factor. Yeah. Hello. Alright. Bias is not that clear. August is such a bad month. Yeah, I agree. To me, the bias today was higher, but looking that we just came out from Asian high just got liquidated. We came back into this BISI, I know that, but we also came back into this SIBI, and order flow just looks bearish to me. Love you too, conflict. Are we gonna kiss or? So I knew it might have wanted to retest the SIBI, so let's see if it wants to hold now. Hello, wrong direction. Hello, wrong direction. Hello. Yeah, I don't have much faith in this trade anymore. This was a trade that I could have gotten involved with right here. But I just don't like the way these relative equal lows are sitting on GU. And that's the main reason why I got on EU, because we also have relative equal lows right here. So yeah. This isn't looking too promising. This isn't looking too promising. Oh wow, so YM fucking hell. YM decided to come all the way down here. That's crazy. Okay, that's crazy. EU has to tighten up, or I'm definitely going to drop her elsewhere. EU definitely needs to tighten up, bro. So I mainly also took this trade because it grabbed this high right here. And, you know, I've been trying to take more trades where we grab old highs. And this lines up pretty good with the 1 hour SIBI, so. And order flow is just bearish. It's just bearish, you know. There's that one guy on Twitter who's like, prop firms are like trying to ban him and shit. What the fuck just happened, bro? Prop firms are like trying to ban him and shit, and then he says his trading strategy is he goes into the market, he feels like he's bullish, so he presses buy. That's such bullshit. Bro, why doesn't my fucking laptop want to do like the... Is it broken? What the fuck? EU, I need you to bust something for me. I need you to bust something for me. Damn. It's the trades that you don't take, man. It's like so clear that this was here as well. Yeah, that's crazy. That's fucking nuts. It's fucking nuts, man. And it gave entries here too, but like, who the fuck is selling below here? Not me. Okay, definitely not me. Okay, you know what? Fuck this. I'm gonna end the stream here, and then once this trade does or does not play out, I'm gonna make a trade recap. So yeah. This is my only trade I'm gonna take today. There's nothing else really. And then Friday is Friday, Friday. Yeah, so G was going to the moon, it seems like. I guess the final straw would be like if the DXY breaks this low, which it seems like it's about to do. Oh man. Yeah, what the hell, man? This 1 hour is pushing. Okay, so is that 15-minute? Alright, we're about to get my stops around pretty quick here. So, I'm gonna leave this so you can enjoy. 15-minute, there wasn't much confluence on the 15-minute. I mean, I did note that we, once we broke this, you're probably gonna go bullish, but it just wasn't giving me any bullish signs, so I thought bearish, It just like, once it tapped in here, gave that strong reaction, I was like, okay, we're probably gonna go bearish. And then shit just fucking around right now, man. I mean, like, it's not. It would be nice to see a market structure shift right here. But no. Keep your head up. Yes, sir. Nothing on Nas. No. There wasn't even a setup, bro. Like, real shit. Okay, like, this is a setup right here. Like, obviously, I saw this too, but, dude. Like, be real. Are you really taking this right at the low? I'm good. Especially with the 4-hour busy right there. Like, I prefer not to. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream right here. I'm gonna let this trade play out and do what it do. So, hope you learned something out of this video or live stream, whatever the fuck. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow, perhaps.